Welcome to Biker's Choice. Today we're diving into the world of the Moto Guzzi California 1100, a motorcycle that embodies Italian craftsmanship and timeless style. Known for its distinctive design and powerful performance, the California 1100 continues to capture the hearts of riders seeking a unique cruising experience, heritage, and legacy. The Moto Guzzi California series has a rich heritage that dates to the 1970s, originally designed for the American market. The California 1100, introduced in the late 1990s, marked a significant evolution in the series, combining classic styling with modern engineering. This motorcycle quickly became a favorite among touring enthusiasts thanks to its comfort and iconic presence on the road. Design and styling. The California 1100 is instantly recognizable with its muscular stance and retro aesthetic. Its low-slung profile, wide handlebars, and signature V-twin engine contribute to its commanding appearance. The attention to detail is evident in features like the chrome accents, elegant fuel tank, and classic round headlight. Available in various colors, the California 1100 offers riders a chance to express their individuality while enjoying a timeless design that never goes out of style. Engine and performance. At the heart of the California 1100 lies a robust 1064cc V-twin engine, delivering a smooth and sane ride. With around 70 horsepower and strong torque output, this motorcycle provides ample power for both city cruising and long-distance touring. The characteristically low-end torque makes it a joy to ride at lower RPMs, ensuring a relaxed experience on the road. The shaft drive system contributes to low maintenance and reliability, making it perfect for long journeys. Comfort and ergonomics. The California 1100 prioritizes rider comfort, featuring a plush seat and an upright riding position that minimizes fatigue during long rides. The wide handlebars offer excellent control, allowing for easy maneuverability in various riding conditions. Additionally, the bike's suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and ensuring a smoother ride. Whether you're on a weekend getaway or a daily commute, the California 1100 delivers an enjoyable experience. Modern features and technology. While rooted in classic design, the California 1100 incorporates modern features to enhance safety and convenience. The bike is equipped with dual front disc brakes for effective stopping power, ensuring a secure ride. Additionally, the inclusion of fuel injection improves throttle response and efficiency. These updates ensure that the California 1100 meets the demands of today's riders while maintaining its vintage charm. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Moto Guzzi California 1100 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a celebration of Italian heritage and cruising culture. With its striking design, powerful performance, and commitment to rider comfort, the California 1100 appeals to those who appreciate the art of motorcycling. It's a bike that invites you to explore the open road and enjoy every moment. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the Moto Guzzi California 1100 here on Biker's Choice. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What draws you to the California 1100? Until next time, ride safe and embrace the freedom of the journey.